Still telling yourself you are too busy, too old, or too tired to learn Italian? Those aren't reasons. They are excuses. As a neurolanguage coach and former university lecturer, I have helped hundreds of learners break free from those stories and finally speak with confidence. So in this video you will finally understand what's really stopping your Italian, and I'll teach you a 3 simple step system to start speaking Italian faster and with less stress, no matter your schedule or your age. To start with, students of Italian, and most likely you too, fall into 2 categories. The busy one, juggling work, family and life, wishing they were older with more time. The old one, convinced age has stolen their memory, wishing they were younger with more energy. They both feel stuck. Too busy and too old sound like opposite problems, but they both come from the same lie. That language learning is about having something you think you don't have anymore. Talent, energy, time. Spoiler, it's not. And let me show you why. Learning Italian feels hard because it's like trying to travel with a huge, overpacked suitcase full of old clothes you never wear. You are slowed down, exhausted and frustrated, but everyone around you keeps telling you to just walk faster or you'll miss the plane, and you ended up blaming yourself for being slow. First of all, relax. For most of you, learning Italian is a journey, not a destination. There is no finish line, no plane to catch. The plane is you. Now, imagine if you could unpack that suitcase, leave behind everything you don't need and travel much lighter and freer. That's exactly what most language learners never do. They carry old baggage like bad habits and false beliefs that weigh down their progress. But what if you were never supposed to carry that weight in the first place? That's what language learners do. They carry school trauma, bad habits and false beliefs about memory and talent, and nobody teaches them how to drop that weight. But here is something you need to hear, and the busy one, yes, you might not like this. You are sprinting from school drop-offs to work calls while driving, juggling meal preparation, squeezing in 3 gym workouts and 1 Italian lesson a week, and trying to sneak in some me time before collapsing into bed. Just saying all of this is exhausting. Now imagine doing it all. Here is a harsh truth you don't want to hear. You are not short on time. You are running on depleted attention and energy. Every time you multitask, you are shrinking your memory capacity. A Stanford study found that chronic multitaskers consistently perform worse on memory tasks even when they are trying their hardest to focus. Think of your brain like a house. Multitasking is like building your foundation on sand. It's unstable, unreliable, and bound to collapse under pressure. I'll come back to you, busy one. There is one more thing you need to know. Let me talk to the old one for a second. Yes, you might be slower than a 25 years old when it comes to picking up new skills. But don't let speed fool you, because you are also smarter in ways younger learners aren't. And yes, you have more time. Don't say it's not true. Here is something that most old learners neglect. Your semantic memory, the part of your brain responsible for storing vocabulary, facts, and general knowledge, remains remarkably strong well into your 70s. Studies like Nyberg show that while some types of memory decline with age, your vocabulary and accumulated knowledge actually improve or stay stable. And you'll be happy to hear this. Neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to form new connections, doesn't just vanish after youth. Even in your 60s and beyond, your brain is capable of learning and rewiring itself. It just needs more meaningful, deliberate repetition and practice to build those new pathways. And you have time to do that. Think of Italian like cooking your favorite dish. Younger cooks, the busy ones, might rush through it, turning the heat up high and risking mistakes, but you know better. You take your time, let flavors build, and create something truly delicious. Your learning works the same way, slower maybe, but richer and far more rewarding. So instead of racing to be faster than the busy ones, focus on being stickier than the busy one, on making your learning last and truly become part of you. That's how you turn experience and wisdom into fluency that sticks for life. And now, even knowing this, there is one more thing, perhaps the most important to be aware of for both of you, busy one and old one. If you grow up in Great Britain or some states in America after the 1960s, here is something you might not realize. Your schools probably stopped teaching boring drills, memorizing rules, or endless exercises. Instead, they focused on making language classes feel easier, more fun and conversational. And sure, that sounds great in theory. But here is the hidden problem. Without those clear grammar basics, many learners, including you, probably feel shaky when you try learning Italian as an adult. It's like trying to build a house without a solid foundation. You might put up walls and the roof, the house looks cool, but the whole thing feels wobbly. The good news, it's not your fault, it's just how you were taught, and now you can fix it, no matter how busy or old you are. But how exactly do you do that? Glad you asked. Here are 4 simple science-backed steps to start learning smarter, not harder, and finally make Italian stick, regardless of your schedule or age. Number 1. Speak before you are ready. If you wait until you are fluent to speak, you'll never start. My students speak from day one, even if they mess up, because messy Italian sticks better than perfect silence. Number 2. Build language anchors. Tie Italian to real actions. Say metto il caffè while brewing your mocha. These physical cues boost memory. Number 3. Use your habits, not your willpower. Too tired at night? Fine. Then listen in the car. Stick a post-it on your mirror. Learning doesn't need hours, it needs triggers. Number 4. Ditch the perfectionism. The goal isn't to get everything right, it's to make Italian part of your daily life, even in small ways. That's how fluency grows. Now, I said a lot and I really want to know what's holding you back, so let me know in the comments, and if you want help rewiring your brain in just 5 minutes a day, grab the free Immersion Challenge PDF in the description, and remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!